Hey, what's up, everybody? So, just want to get a quick overlook at the boostcamp app. I know a lot of you have been asking in my DMs, like, what am I using and things like that. So, basically, the boostcamp app, if you go here, it's called boostcamp. You can find it on the Play Store. Play Store, I think it's a Apple iOS too. Here you go, boostcamp. So, that's the app. Once you open it, you're probably going to see the screen. You're probably going to see to find a workout. So you're going to go to Discover. Okay, here you go. And here is all the programs they have. So they have it divided. It is a free to use app. So there is free programs, and there's also like these pro programs. So if you click, for example, let's do pro. Oh, there you go. First, we'll check out one of these. So this is a free program counting intermediate bodybuilding. And what I end up doing, you can look at the workouts. So you can look ahead of every workout for the week. You can go up to 12 weeks. And then you can see here, you can kind of look around and see, okay, like I like the way it's getting split. You can see squats. You can see everything here. If you want more overview, you can look at the app. It'll tell you what it's about, who's the one proposing it, the program. It gives you an overview, the main muscle breakdowns, and then some of these. So that's a good one. This is the one I did originally. Was Bull Mastiff. Love the program. It was a 19-week program. It was 4 days a week. Recommended days was Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, which I didn't do that, so I should have looked at that. The one I'm currently doing is power building. So we go to power building, and I believe we do pro. This is new here. I haven't seen this one, the Golden Warrior, or that one. So we can scroll down. This is the one I'm doing, the advanced program. It'll give us a coach overview, who made the program, has all their information there. It tells you what they're breaking down into. Reviews. I don't think this one tells you training recommended days. Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So they want you to rest one day. Oh, 16 weeks, so yeah. So then we go to workouts. And here you can kind of see where I'm at in the workout. But if you ever want to see a history, you can go to your history down here. And it gives you a history of all the weeks, the days. It even goes back to, we could go back to like week 19 when I was doing Bull Mastiff. So it keeps track of all your percentages. So when you start the program, you pick one. One of the first things it's gonna ask you is to input your 1 rep max. So you're gonna click here on this top 3 buttons. Here you see update max. You can restart the program. You can archive it. You can see your program schedule. If you update your rep maxes here, these are mine currently from the previous Bull Mastiff. And if you don't know, it gives you a way to calculate it. So that's pretty cool. And that's it. Once you get your program in, every day you do it, you can click on start week 3. It will actually start it or record it until you click done. And it gives you a breakdown. So it's going to give you exactly what RPE you're going to do or how many reps. When you get to your main lifts, it'll tell you 68%. For example, here's an RPE 7, which basically means your stress level and everything. So an RPE 7 one day might be, for example, 400. Next day could be, if you're still feeling a little bit stressed out and tired, it could be 315. So it really just depends on your body. So this workout here, we're gonna have trap deadlifts, dumbbell rows, shrugs. So then that's it. And then you can go to analytics on the side, and here it gives you more reports. So here you can kind of see your muscle tracker for I guess this is for the January, and obviously you see a lot of negative percentages going down because compared to the previous program, we're in an early phase of this one. In terms of things like that. You can also see here your weekly reports. So you can go to here and it'll show you, what was your week, how many hours this percentage means, how you rank opposed to others. I guess people are working out freaking tons, hours a week. Here it breaks down percentages more, the week's workout. So just an overall weekly report. You can also go to, these are just analytics stuff. You can go to workout summary. So you can break it down by weekly or by monthly. We'll do monthly. So you can see the training volume from 7/31st until now, which is when I started. I believe Bull Mastiff was in the 7/31st. Volume peaked up, boom, 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 and then it started dropping down. But you can see here the frequency also dropped, because when you're doing powerlifting, you're gonna tend to decrease. And then you can see here when I started this new program, 1231, volume and frequency just went up through the roof. Body weight I still have to keep track of. I should actually input that. How do I input that? I forgot. I think you do it whenever you do your workout, I believe. Oh, here you go, log body weight. So today, we weighed ourselves today. We were at 228. Okay, and then you can take a picture, and that's it. So then we go back down. It's showing a progression of weight. Another cool thing is you click on your exercise analytics, which is the cool one. It'll give you an estimate of your 1 rep max. So there's an estimated 1 rep max and another one, which is like your scientific one plus what you would actually do. It gives you different options. You could do estimated 1 using RPE. You can do best sets. You can do most consecutive reps. So there's a lot of information here that's keeping track of. If we scroll down, you're gonna see my floor press 321, squat crushers, deadlifts, which is really interesting. I don't know why it does this, why it has this peak periods and then 0, peak period 0. Might be just it's a weird. So here at the bottom though, you'll see your personal record max weight was 460. So based on that, your estimated 1 rep max was 471. Squats, same. So that's cool. I think the analytics portion is pretty interesting. And then you can still edit all the exercises. But yep, that's how you kind of go through this, set up your app. If I recommend you look through all these programs, the free ones. There's very good ones. A very good one would be where is it at? If you're all starting out, a 531 is perfect. It's just teaches you the intro to bodybuilding. Bull Mastiff is more intermediate. Jacked, no, not jacked, but this guy here, Cody Lefebvre, he has a very beginner one, which is really good. But yeah, there's all kinds of good programs here. But yep, that was my intro to your app. Hopefully you guys like it. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and then I'll post more videos.